Hi guys, welcome back to the live stream. Hi Neil. Hi Wealth, like Sharad, how are you guys doing? After a long time, I'm doing the live stream. How was your weekend? How was the last week for you? Let me know if my voice is coming properly or if the live is not lagging, please. आप आ गए ना अब ओआरआर कम बैक कर देगा अरे of course have to come back. चलता रहता है यार. It's a part of game. Let's see. Pretty much I am bullish on Euro today. The timings have been changed. So guys, remember कि हमारा जो daylight saving है वो न्यूयॉर्क के हिसाब से -4 हो गया है तो जस्ट यहाँ पे चेंज कर देते हैं. The kill zone now, if you guys remember, -4. Okay. If we get a fair value gap right over here, then we'll plan for the buys today. Let me share on the Discord as well the link. Okay. सो हमारा किल जोन इज 11:30 रिमेम्बर गाइस अब से हम लोग थोड़ा और जल्दी लाइव आएंगे लाइक 11:30 सो आज तो नहीं हो पाया बट फ्रॉम टुमारो विल ट्राई टू कम 11:30 लाइव The daily candle is flipping to the upside. On every time frame, we have a bullish price action right now. Guys, if you're watching it, please give a like too. It will be really nice. I'm ready to sell. Let's see. Let me put a ball right over here. Starter. Just let me know who are in the buys and who will be in the sells for the euro today. जब भी लेना हो तो बस बता देना. Sure, sure. Like after this, like 55 seconds, I'm gonna place my buy limit right over this candle. So, just be prepared. I would be in the bias, most probably. Just 30 seconds, so. Alright, I'm placing my buy limit. But it's on the resistance. Okay, fine. So I have already placed my buy limit and it's not activated. 1.16405. And the stop loss is nearly gonna be 1.16, 1.16264, 1.16603. Wonderful. Okay, let's see. Entry, see, the buy limit is right over here. Right over here, I placed my buy limit. So अगर आप रिस्क कर रहे हो तो बहुत ही कम क्वांटिटी में रिस्क करना. लाइक बहुत ही कम क्वांटिटी में यू टेक दिस ट्रेड. स्टिल नॉट एक्टिवेटेड. लेट्स सी. एक्टिवेट हो जाता तो. 60% people are in buys. तो द किल जोन अब हमारा 11:30 पे होगा, सो तब से हम देखेंगे 11:30 की कैंडल। अभी हम 12:30 ऑब्जर्व कर रहे हैं, बट फ्रॉम टुमारो विल बी ऑब्जर्विंग द 11:30 कैंडल. So then our setup would be formed on 11:30. We'll see the 11:30 candle opening. If you observe, अगर हमने 11:30 यही setup लिया होता, how would have been it be like? तो हम 1 hour पे आते हैं. First of all, जो भी new beginners हैं and everyone is watching new, तो आई ट्रेड इन द किल जोन. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जो किल जोन होता है दैट इज यूजुअली हैपन टू 12:30 से 5 p.m. रहता है, लाइक 2 a.m. से 5 p.m. न्यूयॉर्क टाइम, राइट. सो अब हम देख रहे हैं कि जैसे कि अब हमारा एक टाइम शिफ्ट हो गया है पहले, तो अब हम 11:30 की कैंडल ऑब्जर्व करेंगे, राइट. अगर आज हमने 11:30 की कैंडल ऑब्जर्व की होती, दैट इज दिस, तो हमारा जो 10:30 का लेवल है, आई मार्क द प्रीवियस कैंडल बिफोर द किल जोन, दैट इज 10:30. अब 10:30 का हाई ये है, लो ये है. 11:30 की ओपनिंग हुई, दैट वाज अ ब्रेकआउट ऑफ 10:30 कैंडल, राइट. तो मैं 5 मिनट्स टाइम फ्रेम पे शिफ्ट हुई एंड आई सॉ, व्हाट डिड आई सी, कि मेरा जो यहाँ पे एक फेयर वाले का बन रहा है, दैट इज कॉल्ड फर्स्ट प्रेजेंटेड एफवीजी. तो ठीक है, ये वाला टैप इन नहीं हुआ, यहाँ पर बना, दिस वाज टैप्ड इन. मैंने अगर यहाँ पर एंट्री प्लेस की होती अपनी फॉर द लॉन्ग पोजीशन, समथिंग लाइक दिस, stop loss something like this, and a TP that would have been 20 pips fixed, 1:2. मेरे को आराम से यहाँ पे टारगेट मिला मेरा, very easily. So this is one of the logics behind what I trade is kill zone times, and it works actually very good. So, but tomorrow will come more early in live. So make sure you guys join the live early, around 11:30. So let's see, अभी activate नहीं हुआ है हमारा प्राइस. अगर हमारा प्राइस यहाँ पर पहुंच गया, इसके ऊपर कहीं की क्लोजिंग दे दी, सो विल नॉट बी कंसिडरिंग इट, बिकॉज ऑलरेडी वी हैव गॉट द मूव दैट वी वांटेड टू हैव. सो देन विल नॉट बी टेकिंग दिस ट्रेड एनी मोर. 60% बाइस में है और मैं सेल में, मतलब मेरा टीपी आएगा क्योंकि मार्केट ऑपोजिट ही चलेगा सबके. हाँ, दैट्स नॉट मैंडेटरी. सो इट वाज अ सिंपल लॉजिक बिहाइंड माय ट्रेड. अगर आप लोग भी यूरो ट्रेड करते हो तो जस्ट ट्राई कंसिडरिंग दिस मॉडल टाइप आल्सो. बिकॉज अगर बिना टैप करे हमारा मूव आ गया, सो देन विल नॉट बी सीकिंग इट. फिर हम नहीं इस ट्रेड को कंसिडर करेंगे, क्योंकि यूजुअली क्या होता है, वी वेट फॉर द टैपिंग इट इन. बट टैपिंग इट जब टैप हो गई है और हमारा टीपी भी आ गया है विदाउट टैप, तो उस चीज़ को हम डिस्कार्ड कर देंगे फिर, बिकॉज हमें जो मूव चाहिए था वो ऑलरेडी मार्केट ने दे दिया. देन देर इज नो पॉइंट अगेन इन वेटिंग एंड टेकिंग एंड दैट मूव. सो डेली टाइम फ्रेम भी हमारा फ्लिप हो चुका है. If we see the daily time frame, it's been flipped already. सुबह से अच्छा bullish momentum आया है market में. Let's see. Still more than one short. You only do Euro USD. Yes, but I have started doing gold also, and sometimes I do Nasdaq. But on the live stream, you will only see me doing Euro USD. There's a reason behind यार Euro USD का मैं इसलिए ट्रेड करती हूँ because जैसे कोई भी नया आया मेरी लाइव स्ट्रीम में एंड दे विल बी ऑब्जर्विंग मी कि मैं ट्रेड क्या कर रही हूँ. ठीक है, अगर आज मैंने यूरो में ट्रेड करा, कल मैंने जियो में ट्रेड करा, परसों मैंने गोल्ड में ट्रेड करा, सो इट विल बी वेरी कंफ्यूजिंग फॉर यू गाइज ऑल्सो. सो आई वॉन्ट कि अगर तुम लोग कोई चीज़ देख रहे हो तो स्टे कंसिस्टेंट इन डूइंग दैट. एंड एक चीज़ कॉन्स्टेंटली जब तुम करोगे तो यू विल इवेंचुअली सी द रिजल्ट्स फॉर दैट. तो दैट्स व्हाई आई ओनली प्रेफर taking trades in euro USD on my live stream so that everyone is consistent in doing that. बट अगर हमें ये वाला मूव विदाउट टैपिंग इन मिला तो एंड ऑल्सो अभी आपको एक चीज़ दिखाती हूँ मैं कि अभी ये वाले लेवल्स है राइट. इफ यू सी ऑन द 15 मिनट्स टाइम फ्रेम पे अगर आप देखोगे ना, सो 15 मिनट्स टाइम फ्रेम पे हमारा डे यहाँ से स्टार्ट हो रहा है राइट. डे यहाँ से स्टार्ट हो रहा है एंड यू कम ऑन टिल द 10, 7, 8, 9 एंड 10. आप 10 तक आए. देन 10 तक आने के बाद आपने हाइज एंड लोज मार्क करने हैं ऑफ अ पर्टिकुलर रेंज राइट. I'll delete this and I'll show you how to trade यूरो यूएसडी. ठीक है, तो वी मार्क द हाइज एंड लोज. जैसे हाई मैंने मार्क करा दिस, ओके, एंड मैंने अपना लो जो मार्क करा टिल 9:30, 9:45, 10 राइट. तो मैंने अपना लो ये वाला मार्क करा. दीज आर द हाइज एंड लोज जो मुझे मिल गए हैं यूरो यूएसडी में ऑलरेडी राइट. अब उसके बाद I will be observing after 12:45, 12:45 कि मार्केट 12:45 के बाद ब्रेक कहाँ कर रही है. अगर मार्केट ने 12:45 के बाद ब्रेक ऊपर करा एंड क्लोजर ऊपर दे दिया, नाउ अब इसके बाद मैं क्या करूंगी, मैं ढूंढूंगी कि मुझे वापस से एक रेंज चाहिए दैट विल बी लाइक दिस, ऐसे करके ऐसे. मुझे कैंडल का क्लोजर एक अंदर चाहिए ताकि मैं अपनी सेल साइड प्लानिंग कर सकूं. सेम फॉर द बाई साइड. अगर प्राइस यहाँ से 12:45 के बाद प्राइस यहाँ पे इस रेंज को तोड़ देता एंड वापस से क्लोजर कैंडल मुझे ऊपर मिलती, तो मैं एक बाई साइड प्लान करती यहीं से. सेम चीज. सो this is one of the things, but as you guys can see, we won't be considering this trade अब क्योंकि already इसने मूव दे दिया है क्योंकि जो हमें चाहिए था. एंड नो वरीज, फिर हम कल देखेंगे इस ट्रेड को. एनीवेज, तो ये चीज़ है. अब हम यहाँ पे सेल सेटअप ज़रूर प्लान कर सकते हैं आफ्टर हैविंग दिस मूव कि अगर हमें यहाँ पे रेंज में क्लोजर मिलता है देन आई विल बी लुकिंग फॉर द सेल साइड. How many lot you recommend for a 5K account. For a 5K account, I would be recommending you using 0.25 for Euro USD, something like that. Yeah, 0.25 would be enough क्योंकि वो 1% आपका हो जाएगा almost. 12:45 कैंडल और 15 मिनट्स एग्जैक्टली आपको सिर्फ 15 मिनट्स पे आना है 15 मिनट्स पे फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आपको देखना है कि यहाँ पे डे ओपनिंग हुई है डे ओपनिंग हुई है 10 AM तक आए आप 10 AM देखा आपने 10 AM एग्जैक्टली आप आए 10 AM पे आपने हाईज एंड लोज मार्क करे ऊपर का हाई मार्क करा and you mark the low okay and then after that you have to see which range is breaking it out then we see that this range is breaking it out and after that we will be seeing कि कहाँ पर वापस से रेंज हमारी क्लोजिंग दे रही है now we will be looking for sales if the price comes back into this range we'll be planning sales but now right now the timing has been changed so it will be 1 hour before not 12:45 then we'll be considering 11:45 okay so after this we see the range is breaking right over here again. So technically, you can say that there are two setups that are formed in Euro USD during this time frame, which is one is this, and the second one is that we were supposed to take right now. So if you will be consistent in taking these trades, I will say that that would be best. Like for Euro, it's the best time to trade personally. But do make sure that now you consider the 1 hour before time because of the timing changed. Okay, thank you. Euro USD is new. I want to learn about these assets. That's good, actually. Euro USD is the most stable pair, I would say. If you know how to trade Euro USD, it's a very slow, I would say, but again, it's a very consistent pair to trade. Like it will not be manipulated that much, like gold and Nasdaq, but you will have time to figure this pair out. So gold is very manipulative nowadays. Yeah, I mean, of course, that is then gold, right? Whatever geopolitical reason, anything happen in the world, gold will be impacted so much. Hi, hello, Jerry Jord. Okay, so we have already got the mood that we were expecting to have. So again, let's not take this straight anymore, right? But again, this is the thing that how we trade euro. Like always consider euro in this session only. But this is the thing that, like, if you have got your hands on gold and very active pairs like Nasdaq, then they are also good. But like I would say, if you want like more of calm, then go for the currency. Like, it's the best thing. I'm reading Asia session. Oh, that's nice. Which pair you are trading in Asia session? EU. Oh, that's nice. So, I mean, I can see these days like a lot of people are trading, like earlier it was not like that. गोल्ड बाय कल का मूव तो पता ही होगा कैसा था इसलिए कहता हूँ गोल्ड सबके बात नहीं है Yeah, matlab, I feel like just stay consistent in whatever you are doing. If you are trading EU, GU, gold, just be consistent with your setup and your strategy. Once you have made it till that point, then there's like unstoppable thing for you guys. Because sometimes we face a losing streak, we face a lot of things, right? But again, still we are consistent in doing whatever we are doing because we believe in it and we have the back tested data, we have forward tested data, and we have the process. Then we actually gain confidence after that. So just stick to one thing. Past 1 year mastering only you. Yeah, that's really great. Mastering one thing is extremely great. I mean, it keeps your psychology intact sometimes. Like you know that this is your setup and you only have to look this. ऐसा लगता है कभी कभी कि BTC is easy than gold. Uh, I I don't trade BTC anymore. Might be, but might be not. It depends upon what are you trading. Hello, hi, how are you? I mean, for today we have like crazy setups. But now we'll be looking for the cells from here. Once we get the closure below. EU is the laziest member, just like a person who always sleep like buffaloes do. No, that's not true, okay? Everybody has their own edge. It depends. See, now it depends upon the personality type. See, the thing is that if you're trading EU in the London and Killzone session, you will see the setups actually that are really fast and will give you the TP. It depends. It totally depends. If you're trading EU on the 1 minute time frame, maybe you might be doing scalping in EU. But if you are like looking for a swing trade, like on the 1 hour time frame or the 4 hour time frame, of course it will like uh but I'm not saying you. Just telling how you behave with me. Yeah. See, it depends upon the time frame and the setup and the patience that we can actually handle because you are actually mastering you have already mastered gold and BTC, right? So now of course when you will be coming back to EU you will find like, oh, that's the laziest thing ever. That will happen, of course. But guys, please give me a like on the stream if you guys are watching it. It will mean a lot to me. And also be prepared for tomorrow. We'll be live streaming at 11:30 or maybe early. I'll try to be early. Are you always live streaming setups? Yes, I do live stream setups, but only in EU and in the morning in the kill zone time. Let's see if we can get a good closure below the range, then we'll be looking for the sells. Because the move that we wanted has already been done. Uh, and what's your win rate? My win rate is almost 50% something, 1:2 trades, I take. Why didn't you use RR 1:2? I always use 1:2, but it depends upon the market sometimes. Like it rarely happens that, but I always use 1:2 because right now my stop loss was a little bit of huge because of the range that we are in. But most probably I wouldn't have like trailed it to 1:2. So. And also, guys, if you are not in my Discord channel, I'll just share you the link, and you can actually see the setup updates and everything. Like if you guys have any problem or any doubts or anything, you can just talk in the community chat. And also on Fridays we do a voice chat like on at 9 or 10 something. So also if you have any issues regarding anything, you can we can like discuss over there. Like every Friday we discuss things. Do you have any kind of news today in the NY session? Okay, I've shared the link of the Discord. If you guys are not in the Discord, you can join. What is your strategy? So I have two setups in the kill zone. So I use the kill zone to have my setups. That is 11:30. Now these are days like I see my setup at 11:30 since yesterday because of the timing change. So at 11:30 I see, if you see on the 1 hour time frame, okay. All right. So if you see on the 1 hour time frame at 11:30, so I see the highs and lows of the candle. And no, I see the candle highs of 10:30, okay, highs and lows of the 10:30 candle. And I see as soon as the 11:30 candle open, I see the breakout on the either of the directions. And then I switch to 5 minutes time frame. So after 5 minutes time frame, I see a good valid fair value gap, because the first presented fair value gap are supposed to be considered high probability. So I mark those fair value gap, which is you can see right over here, right? If I would have taken my long right over here at 11:45, something like this, so, and marked my stop loss on the lows, and I could easily have aimed like 20-21 ratio to target, like something like this. Or maybe if not here, might be like this, something like this. But usually I keep my stop loss like my average stop loss is like 10 pips, and my TP is usually fixed, that is 20 pips, because the average movement that euro gives is always like around 20 pips. So It's very kind of easy, and always it's always like my strategy is always based on the objectivity rather than subjectivity, like support and resistance. So I never ever consider like those things to take my entry. Let's see if we can get any sales setup. Also, if we get any sales setup after the live stream as well, we gonna update in the Discord. I think you don't have to show the market is retracing. I mean, let's see according to the market structure and everything, if it's aligned. So then only we'll be looking for the shorts. Until then, nothing. Let's see if we can like at least capture a retracement also if it is retracement. Okay, so we have no news today. Usually what happens is like whenever we have like news in end by session, usually we have a lot of consolidation, but today we have no news, like no red news. That's why we had like a very smooth momentum since like morning. Let me know if you guys have any questions, if you wanna like ask something. I'm having a question. Ask, ask. How much important is to have a mentor in your trading journey? I would say on a scale of 10, uh, 8 or 9. It's important to have a mentor in your trading journey. Why? Because it will cut down your like the path that you have to take. Like it will be a shorter journey for you rather than the equity curve to be in a consolidation zone. Your equity curve would be way more smoother, and the mistakes, of course, you will be learning more quickly. And if you have a good trading setup that is actually existingly working, then also it will be better for you. Plus the psychology, because what happens usually when we trade by ourselves, our psychology sometimes become very weak. We self doubt ourselves, we self doubt our strategy, we don't have discipline in life. But when we are together, when we are trading together, everyone is together, our psychology becomes actually strong, because then we are actually discussing the doubts that we are facing and reflecting on ourselves, that this is the things that we are facing. So it's always important to have a mentor in your trading journey. But plus, uh, also you need a good responsible attitude towards yourself. Like if you're not responsible or accountable enough, you won't be going that far in your journey then. You are answering like ChatGPT, nice. No, I mean it's like the personal experience. I mean, personally, if you say, I haven't mentored by anyone, like only the market had taught me. But now I know the importance. I mean, importance if somebody's coming to me, right? And the person is very new to the Forex. And now the situation that we are in, that we have a lot of content like over trading on the social media platform, on the YouTube, on everything. So the lot of plates are served to the people and the beginners who are coming into this field, so they need something to filtered out of that content, and actually they can uh, be on that path rather than looking for every other bites of the content that is on YouTube out there, on the Google or whatever. So the main thing is sticking to one thing, and that is really difficult right now because of the quantity of the content that is served, I would say. Because if you see like in our Discord or whatever on the live stream as well, right, I try to make it more niche. I try to make it more like very cut down short and very objective to the thing, so you guys are not confused. So I'm not putting any kind of extra information on your brain. And I would say it's a good thing. Like, the less information you consume, the more profitable you're gonna be at the end. Hi, just Forex. How are you? Why don't you make a challenge for 100 to $15,000? It will be good for discipline for us and you as well. It will be good challenge and we follow you. Uh, exactly. I think that I was thinking about this like since days, like I should do some kind of challenge or maybe a prop firm challenge. Uh, Let me just plan it out, like how am I supposed to do this? And just give me few days maybe, and let's do this. Actually, it's a good idea, and I'm really wanna plan this out. Like last time, I actually did this challenge of the prop firm account. So like every single trade was shared on the YouTube, on the live, and on the Discord as well. So let's see. If you guys are with me, we can do it. Let's do it. Actually, it will be really nice in following a discipline. And even if we don't achieve that goal, the thing is that at least we will be disciplined. Like that's the only aim for me. Even on the live stream, it's like I try to be as simple and disciplined that if somebody is skipping a day also, they are actually looking at the same thing that I was doing day before a month ago. So yes, we are. We can do it. Thank you so much. I'll update you about that definitely on the Discord or on the live stream. We'll do it soon. I think it's good to create a Telegram group channel and share worldwide ideas on it. Actually, I do share on the Discord. So all the tweets are shared in the Discord, and people also share their ideas in the Discord. I feel it's more of, you can actually create channels within it, and the voice chat is a good feature. So I think, or maybe I can redirect to Telegram. Did you saw Ayano on Discord? Wait, let me see. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. I see. She's killing it. Exactly. I mean, see, everyone like I see in my Discord, they are like super great traders. Like everyone is trading so good, and I'm really like actually appreciate them. Like everyone is engaging with each other and clearing their doubts. So, yes, Telegram seems good for all the countries, I think. Okay. Can you guys tell me where Discord doesn't work? Actually, I didn't knew this that there are some places that Discord doesn't work. Is it true? Discord worldwide. Okay, so it is blocked in like Russia, China, Turkey, and Egypt. Okay, there are a few countries. But that's cool. We can redirect actually to the Telegram, like the main section. No, I don't think so. It's especially for the gaming. Yeah, people use it for the gaming, but people use for a lot of reasons Discord. That's not true. Like for the trading, it's a like a very very huge space for the trading also on the Discord, and people use it for like Mid Journey itself is on the Discord. A lot of things. And actually, you know what? If you see what I have observed with the Discord is like Telegram has a little bit of notion that oh, it could be scammy. You know, that is the only perspective I feel about Telegram. All right, guys, then I think that let's end the stream. Yes, right. We all think anything made in Telegram is scam. Exactly. That's the whole issue that I had. Like when I was deciding whether I should start with Telegram or Discord, I was like, yeah, Telegram, like it gives a vibe, that might be like scam or things like that. And Discord, a little, it's a professional, I would say. So, and even if you see that, like all the decent people who are trading, they have Discord in the like phone or rather than Telegram. And it's like Telegram is also a thing that it can be banned very easily, and Discord is still sustainable thing. So but let's see. We'll like figure it out for all of the people. Now the time zone is issue. It's all daylight time. Saver is gone. Great trades will come. Yeah, that's true. Let's see, like 1 hour before. But again, easy to use can be Telegram only. Yeah, but can be. It's like Discord versus Telegram debate now. See, the thing is, if you see the perspective like that, imagine there's something difficult and there's something easy to access. But then you're getting value out of something that is difficult. And a person will put, see, if there's someone and I see on Instagram that, oh, somebody's starting a live challenge, okay, and the person is on Discord. But if I really wanna join their challenge, I will put some effort to install that application and join the server rather than uh, going for the easy option. So you can actually have a serious audience maybe over there. This is what I believe, to be honest. But anyways, we'll figure it out. But definitely tomorrow, I'll try to come on live at 11:30, 11:30 a.m. All right, guys. Let me know if you guys have any doubt or questions. You can freely ask in the community chat, or else I am ending the live stream. And this week, Friday, we gonna have a voice chat. If you guys wanna join, you are free to join and talk and reflect on the mistakes or ask anything. Your maybe your trading journey. Now it's time to go long on the pullback, right? Not really. Like still, what I am looking for is a good, like a impulsive closure to the downside, and then we'll be looking for the shorts. This is what the plan was because, the long, see, if you would have planned for the long, I would have suggested you from doing somewhere right over here or here, straight away on this candle or on this candle somewhere. But long from this area might be a bit risky. Why short? Because according to the setup that is already I follow, it's short that I explained you right now. No, I mean, according right now, if you see on the 15 minutes time frame, uh, see, this is the range, high and low. This is the range. And if we got a good candle closure of 15 minutes time frame below, then we'll be looking for the sells, not as of now. No, dude, the market is on retracing, so correcting the balance. Um, let's see, yaar, matlab, I have to see according to the candle closure and the price that is formed, market structure will accordingly see. But see, the thing is that if I would have personally entered in the buys, I would be having entering like right over here and right over here, because the move that I wanted to capture would be from the bottom, and the bottom was this right over here. So, like buys definitely won't be looking, but sells if we get, we will see that. Alright, guys, so let's end the stream. Baki, will update in the Discord जैसा भी होता है जो भी whatever trade will take. And tomorrow I will be coming live stream at 11:30 and will be trading on 11:30 only. So yeah, that's all for today. And I hope you guys have enjoyed the live stream. And I hope you guys share your trade ideas in the Discord section. So actually we can discuss the ideas and know your perspective also. And also, if you haven't liked the stream, please make sure you like the stream if you enjoyed today. All right, guys, thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye. Let's read and let's grow together.